Hey there, fabulous people. Today, I'm breaking down the best credit cards for millennials. Because let's be real, adulting is hard, but choosing a credit card doesn't have to be. First up, we've got the Chase Sapphire Preferred. This card is like the Beyoncé of credit cards. It gives you double points on travel and dining, which means more rewards for your brunch addiction and wanderlust. And who doesn't love flexible travel rewards? Plus, the sign-up bonus? I mean, it's like finding money in your old jeans. Next, let's talk about the Discover It cashback. This one's for the folks who love getting a little back on their everyday spending. You get 5% cash back on rotating categories each quarter like gas stations, grocery stores, and even Amazon. So you're basically earning money back on your Netflix binge snacks. And the best part? They match all the cash back you've earned at the end of your first year. It's like BOGO, but for your wallet. Moving on to the Capital One Quicksilver Cash Rewards. If simplicity is your jam, this card is a total no-brainer. You get 1.5% cash back on every purchase every day. No rotating categories, no sign-ups, just straight-up cash back. It's like having a friend who always picks up the tab every single time. The American Express Gold Card. This one's for the foodies. You get 4x points at restaurants and on Uber Eats, and 3x points on flights booked directly with airlines. So whether you're dining out or ordering in, you're racking up the points. Plus, you get $120 dining credit and $120 in Uber Cash annually. It's like they're paying you to eat and travel. Sign me up! Finally, let's talk about the Citi Double Cash Card. This one's like the Swiss Army knife of credit cards. You earn 2% cash back, 1% when you buy, and another 1% when you pay. So you're rewarded for being responsible. It's like a pat on the back from your future self. So, there you have it. The best credit cards for millennials, each with its own special perks. Remember, it's not just about the points and cash back. Pick the card that fits your lifestyle and spending habits. And most importantly, don't forget to pay your bills on time, because no one has time for those pesky late fees. Catch you in the next vid, and happy adulting. Until next time, stay fabulous. Bye.